Hello YouTube, I'm Fatemah. I'm supervisor in Habibi for cooking. I'm from, I don't know, Iran or Afghanistan. I don't know which one is true for me because I was born in Iran. Actually, I want to be honest. Before that, I'm so depressed. I didn't speak with no one, but the Habibi helped me. Actually, someone's in Habibi. His supervisor's here. His name Ali. He's my friend. Yeah, and he's helped me so much. And he helped me for cooking here. It's Habibi, it's like my life. That's it. I learned from my mom. She's a good chef from our home, our family. This is my knife, chef. Yeah, I learned from her. Not no one, not the other people. She helped me for cooking, and she learned me a lot of food. And now I search in Instagram, Google, and I learn a lot of another food from another country. Sometimes, yeah, because sometimes I think our food is not too much, but after that I see, oh, the other people have a food. Because it depends the people, some and the weather. Because some people come in the sunny day, rainy day, but yeah, I have a stress, but it's okay. I control it. Yeah. Cut. برج 4 صادر شده. 4 هفت 4 صادر شده بود.